Hacking is about breaking the rules, finding weaknesses. It's a game of cat and mouse where the stakes are high and the rewards can be immense. But to play this game, you need to understand the language of the digital world. But to do that, you gotta speak the language of computers. This isn't just about knowing how to type commands. It's about understanding the logic and structure that make up the backbone of every digital interaction. Programming languages are the tools of the trade. They are the building blocks that allow us to create, manipulate, and understand software. From the simplest script to the most complex application, programming languages are the foundation upon which everything is built. They let you build, break, and bend software to your will. Whether you're developing a new app, fixing a bug, or finding a way to exploit a vulnerability, the right programming language can make all the difference. Just like a lockpick or a crowbar, the right programming language can open doors. It can give you access to systems and information that would otherwise be out of reach. But it's not just about breaking in, it's also about building something new and innovative. Different languages have different strengths. Some are designed for speed, others for precision. Some are great for web development, while others are better suited for system programming. Knowing which language to use in a given situation is a crucial skill for any developer or hacker. Some are fast and powerful, like a sledgehammer. They can break through barriers and handle large amounts of data with ease. These languages are often used in situations where performance is critical, such as in game development or high-frequency trading. Others are elegant and precise, like a scalpel. They allow for fine-tuned control and are often used in situations where accuracy is paramount, such as in scientific computing or financial modeling. A good hacker knows which tool to use for the job. They understand the strengths and weaknesses of different programming languages and can choose the right one for the task at hand. This knowledge can be the difference between success and failure. And trust me, folks, Rust is about to become the hottest tool in the shed. It's a language that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. Why? Because Rust is changing the game. It's a language that combines the best of both worlds, the power and performance of low-level languages like C and C++, with the safety and ease of use of higher-level languages like Python. It's got this unique combination of power and safety that's turning heads in the hacking world. Rust's memory safety features help prevent common bugs and vulnerabilities, making it a great choice for security-conscious developers. Whether you're exploiting vulnerabilities or building the next generation of security tools, Rust is the language to learn. Its versatility and robustness make it an invaluable addition to any developer's toolkit. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, start learning Rust today. So, what makes Rust so special? Why is it becoming the go-to language for developers, especially those in the cybersecurity field? First off, it's built from the ground up with security in mind. Unlike other languages that have had security features added as an afterthought, Rust was designed with safety as a core principle. No more buffer overflows or dangling pointers. Rust's got your back. These common vulnerabilities are a thing of the past with Rust's strict compile time checks and ownership system. It's like having a bodyguard for your code, making sure nobody messes with it in ways they shouldn't. This means fewer security patches and more time focusing on building features. Second, Rust is blazing fast. Its performance is on par with C and C++, but without the headaches of manual memory management. It's like a sports car compared to a minivan. You get the speed and efficiency needed for high-performance applications, whether it's game development, system programming, or data analysis. This speed is crucial for hackers who need to write efficient exploits or analyze massive datasets. The faster your code runs, the quicker you can achieve your objectives. Time is of the essence when you're trying to stay one step ahead. In the world of hacking, every second counts, and Rust helps you make the most of every moment. Third, Rust is just plain cool. It's not just about functionality, it's about the experience of coding itself. It's got this elegant syntax and powerful features that make coding a joy. The language is expressive, yet concise, allowing you to write less code to achieve more. And let's be honest, folks, hacking is all about style points. The community around Rust is vibrant and innovative, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With Rust, you can write code that's both effective and beautiful. It's a language that respects your time and effort, making sure that what you build is not only robust, but also a pleasure to create. The Rust community is another big plus. It's open, welcoming, and full of resources to help you get started or deepen your expertise. From forums to meetups, there's always someone willing to lend a hand. Comprehensive documentation and a wealth of tutorials make it easier than ever to dive into Rust. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newbie, you'll find the support you need. And let's not forget the Rust compiler, which is like having a mentor looking over your shoulder. It provides helpful error messages and suggestions, guiding you to write better code. So, if you're looking for a language that's secure, fast, and a joy to work with, Rust might just be your new best friend. Give it a try and see how it transforms your coding experience. Let's talk about memory safety for a second. This is where Rust really shines. See, most programming languages are pretty lax about how you manage memory. It's like letting a toddler loose in a china shop. One wrong move and you've got a mess on your hands. Rust, on the other hand, is like a strict but loving parent. It enforces strict rules about memory access, preventing you from making those costly mistakes. This means fewer crashes, fewer vulnerabilities, and more peace of mind. For hackers, this memory safety is a game changer. It allows you to write more reliable exploits and tools, knowing that your code won't crumble under pressure. Now let's talk speed. Rust is known for its performance. It's like a cheetah on a sugar rush. This speed comes from its unique approach to memory management and its powerful compiler. In the world of hacking, speed is everything. Whether you're exploiting a vulnerability or analyzing malware, every millisecond counts. Rust gives you that edge, allowing you to outmaneuver your opponents and achieve your goals faster. Section 5. Rust versus the usual suspects, C++, Python, and Go. In this section, we will delve into how Rust compares to these well-established programming languages, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So, how does Rust stack up against the other popular hacking languages? Let's take a look. First, we have C++, the old workhorse of the programming world. It's been around for decades and has powered countless applications and systems. The old workhorse. Powerful, but clunky, prone to memory errors. C++ is known for its raw power and control over system resources, but this comes at a cost. Developers often find themselves wrestling with memory management issues, which can lead to bugs and vulnerabilities. Like driving a stick shift. You have more control, but it's easy to stall. Just as driving a manual car gives you more control over the vehicle, programming in C++ gives you fine-grained control over system resources. However, this control requires a high level of skill and attention to detail, and mistakes can be costly. Next, we have Python, the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use, making it a favorite among developers for a wide range of tasks. Great for scripting and automation, Python excels in areas like scripting, automation, and data analysis. Its simple syntax and extensive libraries make it a go-to language for many developers, but not ideal for performance-critical tasks. However, Python's ease of use comes at the expense of performance. It's not the best choice for applications where speed and efficiency are critical. Then there's Go, the new kid on the block. Simple and fast, Go was designed with simplicity and performance in mind. It's a language that aims to make development straightforward and efficient, but lacks the maturity and ecosystem of Rust. While Go is fast and easy to learn, it doesn't yet have the same level of maturity or the rich ecosystem of libraries and tools that Rust offers. Rust takes the best of all worlds. It combines the power and control of C++, the simplicity and elegance of Python, and the speed and efficiency of Go. It's got the power of C++, the elegance of Python. Rust's syntax is designed to be both powerful and elegant, allowing developers to write clean and efficient code without sacrificing control over system resources. And the speed of Go, Rust's performance is on par with Go, making it suitable for high-performance applications where speed is crucial. All wrapped up in a memory-safe package. One of Rust's standout features is its focus on memory safety, which helps prevent many common programming errors and vulnerabilities, making it a robust choice for modern software development. Section 6. The cybersecurity shift. Rust is taking over. The cybersecurity industry is waking up to the power of Rust. Big players like Microsoft and Google are already using it to build more secure systems. This shift is creating a huge demand for developers with Rust skills. Hackers who know Rust will be in high demand. They'll have the skills to find and exploit vulnerabilities in these new systems, as well as build the next generation of security tools. Section 7. Real-world Rust, from exploits to security tools. Rust is already being used to build some pretty impressive stuff in the hacking world. For example, There are open-source projects using Rust to create network analysis tools, fuzzers for finding vulnerabilities, and even custom exploits. The beauty of Rust is that it can be used for both offensive and defensive security. You can use it to find weaknesses in systems and then use it to build more secure alternatives. Section 8. Learning Rust, your ticket to the big leagues. Learning Rust might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's worth the effort. There are tons of resources available online, from interactive tutorials to comprehensive documentation. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with small projects like writing a simple network scanner or a password cracker. As you gain experience, you can move on to more complex challenges. Section 9. The future is Rusty. Why this is just the beginning. Rust is more than just a programming language. It's a movement. It's a community of developers who are passionate about building secure and reliable software. By learning Rust, you're not just gaining a valuable skill, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals who are shaping the future of technology. The future of hacking is Rusty, folks, and the time to get on board is now. So, what are you waiting for? Go learn some Rust!